Okay, so in order to drip the different lessons and everything that you need inside your course, what you're going to first do is you're going to build whichever one you'd like. So just go ahead and select Start Building, and then we're going to name the course, whatever you need to name it. And then we're going to go ahead and create product. So whenever the product is originally created, you will get the course contents, which this is a category, and then you have the individual lessons. Now, in order to drip the lessons, you actually have to create them as individual categories. So I will go ahead and do that and show you what the final result should look like. So now I've created different categories. So we just do the product structure, create category, and we'll go ahead and make this day 6. And save. Now we have our day 6 category, so we'll just go ahead and put that right there. Oops. Alrighty, so now it's in draft. So what we're going to do is select drip mode, and we're going to go ahead and put this 6 days out. So you want to drip to a specific day after they purchased it. So each one is set to drip. And we're going to go ahead and add a lesson. Alrighty, so we also want to go ahead and save this to published. So now we have welcome to the course. This is the spot that they read this first. We do want this to be published immediately. We also want it day 1 to be published immediately. And then starting at day 2, we have our day 2 category. We're going to go ahead and drip it, have it on drip mode. And again, we want this 2 days after they purchased it. So you would just go through and make each one. You can also, instead of dripping your last stage, you can go ahead and lock it until they mark the last lesson or day completed. So now, congrats on your momentum is the post or the lesson, and the category is the day itself. So we'll just go ahead and save that. And so now this is locked until they finish all of the days. And then once your clients log into the portal after purchasing the course, this is what it's going to look like. Alrighty, so now you see that there are 8 lessons. So we have welcome to the course, read this first, then we have our day 1, and now we have day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6. And then if they go to, this is the last one, the congrats on your next step. All right, so now we have congrats next steps, and if they go ahead and select that lesson, the lesson is locked, and it says that you have to complete this specific one, and this is one that's coming soon, so we are not able to go into it. So back on our main lesson page, whenever they go to the first post, this is what it will look like. So we have to read this first. Maybe you can add a video, or if you're giving like a workbook or anything like that, you can also add those in as individual lessons. But here is the first lesson itself, where you have your information and everything, and then we can go ahead and say completed, and now they'll be able to go ahead and go to the next lesson and keep going through. And then as soon as like we go ahead and complete this one, we do next lesson, lesson is locked. So now that is how you'll have everything set up, and each day it'll go ahead and be made available. So I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know.